Hi, I'm Jamie Lee Curtis. You already know the essential items for an emergency kit. Well, I'm going to show you how to customize one to make it a little more user-friendly for your family specifically. Here's a key item that nobody talks about. I think you should have a picture of your family in your kit. For young children, it's incredibly comforting for them to be able to have a picture in case the dad's at work or the mom's at work or the siblings at school. Really important to have a family picture that they can look at. You can talk about it and say, everybody's fine. Here's daddy, sister, brother. So I like to keep a picture of my family. My favorite is if you have young children, some chocolate, some candy, certainly will help during a couple tense moments. Also some games. I think is very important. Children are going to have a lot of time and you're going to want them to be able to be occupied. Playing some card games is good. Another favorite, rechargeable flashlights. I give these to all my friends and family. You plug them in, and then when the lights go out, they illuminate, and immediately your house, which could be dark, is now lit. Call me crazy? Dental floss. You also might want to have something as simple as almonds or chips or something that you and your kids might enjoy having. I live in earthquake country, and one of the things you are taught right away is that there's going to be a lot of broken glass, naturally. So I suggest really solid shoes for every member of your family. People can just slide them on and protect their feet. We talked about these sort of harder kits, which you can keep in your basement, in your garage, in your car. I personally like mobile emergency kits, which you can just sling on your back, and it can keep your rain poncho, your flashlight, your radio, your food, your prescriptions. Really easy. Throw it on your back and off you go.